This is a bottle of ginger scallion sauce, and just take a look at how beautifully vibrant the colours are, and its smell is fresh and aromatic. Now, ginger scallion sauce is made up of 4 ingredients: ginger, scallions, salt and oil. But with these 4 ingredients, you actually have a recipe that's very deeply rooted in traditional Chinese cuisine. Ginger scallion sauce goes well with everything from noodles, Hainanese chicken rice, and even a simple fried egg. With the perfect marriage of fresh ginger and aromatic scallions, you actually have a recipe that's very easy and addictive.
Let's start by cutting the roots off the scallions and giving everything a fine chop. Go nice and slow, you don't have to rush this. Once your scallions are nicely chopped like this, place them all into a medium-sized heat-proof bowl. This is important because we're going to be pouring hot oil into the bowl later on. Now with your knob of ginger, take a spoon and gently scrape off all the excess skin on the top. Using a spoon is a great way to reduce the amount of wastage from your ginger while making it safe for you as well. And just like before with your scallions, finely mince your ginger until they look something like this and place them all into the same bowl. Give it all a good mix and add maybe about a teaspoon of salt to taste. It's important to add the salt before you add the oil for 2 reasons. Firstly, adding your salt to your ginger and scallions will allow them to be seasoned much better. And secondly, this helps to extract the excess water in your ginger and scallions, which gives the sauce a more intense taste. Now heat about half a cup of vegetable oil over medium-high heat. Once your oil starts to shimmer and has bubbles forming around the chopstick, take your pan gently off the heat and pour it into your ginger scallion mixture carefully. Now obviously this is the most fun part about making this recipe, but of course be very careful with hot oil. By now you will have a beautiful bowl of ginger scallion sauce and your kitchen should smell amazing. Once the oil cools down, you can keep it in a jar and store it in the fridge for up to about 2 weeks.
And now for the taste test, we're going to give this a shot. As you can see, I'm not really having it with any other dishes or recipes, but I'm going to try the ginger scallion sauce on its own, and well, it tasted exactly as it should, like gingers and scallions, but when you add salt and oil, you get a much more pungent and aromatic product at the end of the day. The hot oil helps to release the fresh flavors from the ginger and the garlicky notes from the scallions as well, and you help merge it into a beautiful sauce that helps to elevate the flavors of the ingredients together at the same time. Now, I do think there's a reason why ginger scallion sauce tends to be matched with recipes where the ingredients are allowed to speak for itself, like Hainanese chicken rice, where the chicken goes super well with the ginger scallion sauce. Ginger scallion sauce has this ability to elevate the flavors of the ingredients that it's working with, and I think that's why it's so popular in Chinese cuisine. So that's all for today's episode. If you actually want to see me make some recipes with the ginger scallion sauce, let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, that's all for today. See you guys next time.